Car parts that are related to the human body. 1. ECU, electronic control unit, brain. 2. Engine and fuel pump, heart. 3. Air intake, nose and lungs. 4. Exhaust, anus. 5. Vehicle identification number, VIN. Fingerprint. 6. Wheels, legs and hands. 7. Fuel, food. 8. Fuel tank, stomach. 9. Ball joints, elbow and knee. 10. Horn, mouth. 11. Car diagnostic scan, human vital signs, medical scan. 12. Car structural frame, skeletal system. 13. Engine torque, strength. 14. Engine oil and other fluids, blood and body fluids. 15. Car chassis, human spinal cord. 16. Oil and fuel filters, the kidneys. 17. Shock absorbers, cartilages. 18. Fuel and radiator filler, mouth to eat and drink. 19. Windscreen wipers, eyelashes. 20. Tires, shoes. 21. Headlight and windscreen, eyes. 22. Turbo and superchargers, steroids.